Everyone worries sometimes, but for Emeka, worry had begun to take over his life. Emeka is a 24-year-old university student, young, intelligent, and determined to succeed. From the outside, everything appears normal. He attends lectures, studies hard, and prepares seriously for his examinations. But inside his mind, there is a constant battle.
What if I fail? What if I forget everything? What if everyone does better than me?
No matter how much Emeka studies, the worry never seems to stop. And soon, the anxiety begins affecting more than his thoughts. Every morning his heart races. His stomach feels uncomfortable. His hands tremble, and he struggles to relax. During lectures, concentrating becomes difficult. While the lecturer is teaching, Emeka's mind is somewhere else.
What if? What if? What if?
The thoughts keep coming. Eventually, Emeka begins avoiding situations that make him anxious. When his friends invite him out, he makes excuses.
I can't. I have a lot of reading.
But studying isn't really the problem. Emeka is becoming afraid of being judged, making mistakes, or embarrassing himself in front of others. Then night time comes, and even sleep offers no escape. He lies awake for hours while his thoughts race from one possibility to another.
What if I fail? What if I disappoint my family? What if I'm simply not good enough?
Then one day, something frightening happens. Without warning, Emeka feels an overwhelming wave of fear. His heart pounds violently. He becomes dizzy. His breathing becomes difficult. For a terrifying moment, he feels completely out of control.
I can't breathe.
But the people around him don't understand. Relax. You're just overreacting. Others tell him, it's all in your head. You're being dramatic. Calm down, there's nothing to worry about. But anxiety is not something a person can simply switch off. Little by little, Emeka's life begins falling apart. He misses lectures, emails go unanswered, his grades begin slipping. He isolates himself from friends. Even simple tasks like replying to an email, reading a chapter, submitting an assignment, or attending a lecture begin to feel overwhelming. Emeka knows his worries are excessive, but he feels powerless to stop them. Then, someone notices. A lecturer sees that the once engaged student has become worried and withdrawn. Instead of judging him, she asks a simple question.
Emeka, I've noticed you seem worried and withdrawn. Would you like to talk about it?
For the first time, Emeka feels that someone is actually listening.
I don't even know where to start.
That conversation becomes the beginning of change. Emeka speaks with the university counsellor and learns something important. What he is experiencing is real. It is not weakness. It is not his fault. And he does not have to face it alone. With appropriate support, Emeka begins learning practical ways to manage his anxiety. Therapy helps him understand his thoughts and develop healthier coping strategies. Breathing exercises, relaxation techniques, and stress management help him regain control during difficult moments. Better sleep, regular exercise, healthy habits, and support from friends help him rebuild his daily routine. And when appropriate, medication can also form part of professional treatment. Recovery does not happen overnight, but slowly. Emeka begins sleeping better. He starts participating in class again. He reconnects with his friends. His concentration improves. And gradually, his academic performance begins to recover. Emeka still experiences worry sometimes, but now he has the tools and support to manage it. Anxiety is real, but treatment works. It is not just stress. It is not all in the mind. And telling someone to just calm down will not make an anxiety disorder disappear. If you notice someone experiencing constant worry, racing thoughts, physical symptoms of fear, avoidance, sleep problems, or panic attacks, don't dismiss them, don't judge them, and don't assume they can simply control it. Recognise the signs, offer support, and encourage professional help early. Because sometimes, one person noticing, one person listening, and one person taking someone's struggle seriously can become the beginning of recovery.
Thank you for watching. If this story touched you, please like, share, and subscribe to HealthVerse Comics. Together, we can make healthcare education more human, one story at a time.